there's not much going on, but I thought I would still give you an update for those who watching. On the high time frame, there's nothing really to be worried about. Still got our range highs. As long as we are above it, it's all good. We still got this trend line. Until this trend line is broken, for me, we can retrace, we can range in here as long as we want, but this, as long as this trend line holds, I'm looking for higher. It's nothing to be worried about, in my opinion. I could be wrong, of course. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4 3 4 5 maybe. It's just an idea. We got this little range here, and again I said this trend line should hold. As long as it holds, we are good to go up. It can take some time in this range here to get closer to the trend line. I would expect some kind of top or local top to be reached by next year, March next year. March next year would probably be, where is it here? Let's see. March next year. This is what I'm looking for. So until then, this trend line will be like that, and we will continue up to this point around here. This is what I'm looking for. If we breach this line and start falling sooner, then we'll have to update our idea. As of right now, this little range here can continue for a bit longer. I have an idea of how to play this, only on some little shorts, little longs. If we get back above the range and get back inside, I would be looking to short this place here, and would be looking to long deviation at the bottom. Okay, there's nothing to do here in the middle. I want to do my trading up here or down here. For the smaller time frame, yes. For the day trades, scalps, I'm doing some of them on 5 minute, 1 minute time frame. I'll probably show you in the future. I'll do some trading on a higher time frame. We would be looking for some retracement here. Okay, this could give us a long to the new highs. I'm still interested in taking these highs here as of right now, sooner, or taking these lows here. Let's change this into that. Yeah, so I would still be interested in this. Alright, make this one white. I would still be interested in this, something like that. Change market structure here, continue lower, but it's not my really preferred scenario. It's possible, It's possible, but and we've got this trend line here. Okay, so we've got this trend line here. Remove this. It's still possible we come up here. A lot of people would think we are going up, and just to come lower. Okay, but more, I think the biggest pain would be maybe coming down here. Again, we have to watch this point here. This could be nice. 1 ABC, 2 continuation down. It's possible, but I would say a bit more pain would be coming up to new highs, new all-time highs, 102k, 102k, and then getting back into this range below this level, here, and then coming back to take this level here. I think that would cause a little bit more pain. Everyone would get really bullish again up here. They would get really bullish up here. 1% stop loss, or stop loss above the highs. First TP here would be these lows here, and then around this point. We might not get to this point here. We might just get anywhere above this point, so probably take these lows, but still keep higher highs, higher lows. So keep this intact. Stop around here somewhere. Okay, so this is a plan. I mean, we could still, yeah, as I said, we can still make this nice ABC here, and then continue down. Anytime we get these lows, if we do not take the highs, clear this. If we do not take the highs, yeah, and we do something like that, anytime we take these lows, I would be looking for my entry. I wouldn't be waiting for my targets. This is the most important probably, but anytime we get back above this, I would be looking for longs. This would make a nice ABC. A, B, C. It would be nice to get a little bit deeper, but it doesn't have to be deep. It doesn't have to go that low. Okay, I would be looking for higher, new all-time highs again. So this is the plan here. Or we take the highs first. And then continuation to the upside, or coming down here. So these two, what I'm looking for. Okay, 11%, 12%, something like that, maybe even 15%. This is what I'm looking for. Nice ABC to the downside, or new all-time highs. This would make a nice ABCD as well, which is really often. Nice retracement. It would give us some time. This would be about probably mid 10th, 14th, maybe December, mid of December. mid of December. We've got time, I believe we've got time till January 20th, is it, for the Trump's inauguration into the office. So I wouldn't really mind this retracement here to this level, here. Yeah, if it takes time, that's fine. To this level here, this would be wave 4. All this would be a nice wave 4, and then up for another wave 4, and then up for the wave 5. If you've seen my yesterday's video, I'm looking for something like 160, 180k, in the range of 160 to 180k, nothing more. I'll be selling my spot up there. This trend line has to hold up until then, so I want to see some wave 4s made. It could change at any time, and anything can happen, as you know. Anything can happen. Where is it? I'm looking for this to go to this red zone here. This would be confirmation that the top is in. As you can see, it's pretty good, accurate. Another thing is, and I would like to make a new video on this subject. I only use a few indicators, and I'm still learning. My trading journey is still in the beginning. But a few indicators, I don't use these. I use PI cycle to predict the top. Okay, I've made a mistake here. Should have known that anytime we get to the white line, it's gonna be a rejection. Never mind. Anyways, I'm looking for 160k, if you remember, around that 160, 180k. Okay, I'll probably be selling sooner than that. I don't think I'll wait till that, because I think we can. What could happen? March, wherever we get to, what price action, whatever price we get to till March, the end of March or middle of March, around that date, I will be selling. So I hope to be somewhere here. 140k would be ideal, and then some retracement, and maybe last try to go up in until October. So next year, September, October next year, we might get something like that. Up, retracement, up. I'm thinking something like that, because otherwise I'm not sure what we're gonna do here till next September, October. If we keep pumping, we get to some crazy prices, and I don't think that will happen. So first sell for me will be March, and then if we get to 140k, I'm happy. I don't care if it stops there. I will sell. If it gets down a little bit, if we get a retracement, I will be buying and expecting to sell in September, October, whatever happens, and then bear market then. So right now, PI cycle, I do expect us to get above this white line and see a rejection. These has to catch up. They have to catch up, cross. That would be the top. So we'll see how this is gonna play out. We don't know, I don't know. But we have a situation where it predicted some highs and lows. And this, I was playing this one here. I was buying here when it printed PI cycle low. And the price went down because of the FTX crash. It doesn't matter. I don't care, but I was buying there 28k, 21k I was buying. And obviously it went down, but that's fine. I would still say it's a really good indicator. As you can see, it caught this top here. I started trading somewhere 2021, January 2021. Here, this pump here. So all this, I remember all this. This is where I lost a lot of money because it was crashing. I couldn't understand what's happening. I remember all this, but I did not really trade very well. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time. Many years. If you make it, it takes many years. Most people don't make it. So anyways, PI cycle, the bottom was printed here as well. Crossed the red, crossed this green and yellow line. Okay, so I trust this indicator. And the bottom for my next bear market, I expect to be here. Not lower than 32k, hopefully. This zone here. First of all, obviously, this will be retested and will give some bounce. Maybe after March. After March, okay, that's too high. We might come back, retest this, try again, and then fail. Something like that. Anything could happen, we don't know. Anyways, I just wanted to show you this indicator. This is the only one I trust, really, to be honest. Alright then, that's probably it from me for today. That's it from me for today. We're gonna go up. The price is gonna go up now. Probably take these highs that we made last night, and then we'll see if we reject or we keep the market structure intact and we continue to new all-time highs. Make it simple. We'll see where we get us. If it breaks, we know below this line here, up, down, and then we decide here, 618 golden pocket. We see if there is a bounce, what's the reaction, or we continue down. Make it simple. Alright then. See you tomorrow.